Hi guys, if you want to search for files containing a specific word in Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. To find all files that contain a specific word or text on Windows 11, first of all right click on the Start menu and then click on File Explorer and then go to Home. And now here in the search section, simply type the word or text which you want to find within files. Let's say for the example, you want to search for files that contain the word discovery. So here in the search box, simply type the word discovery. Here it is. And now you will be able to see the search options. Simply click on it. And now from here, select this option, File Contents. Simply click on it. You have to make sure File Content option is selected. And once you have selected the file contents, your Windows 11 PC will start displaying all the files which contain the word you search for. As here you can see, we have searched the word discovery. So if you open any of these files, they will have the word discovery inside them. Let's check it out. For the example, I want to open this file and check. So simply double click on it. Now to search for the word, simply press Ctrl+F key on your keyboard. And to check it, here I will simply type the word discovery. And you can see this file contains the word discovery. Let's check another file. For the example, I want to check this. So I'll simply double click on it. And then press Ctrl+F key on the keyboard. And to check it, type the word discovery. And you can see this file contains the word discovery. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily search for files containing a specific word or text in Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.